Hey guys, let's put a check to the mosquitoes. As you see in the picture, you can put a check to the mosquitoes with this magnetic mosquito net for doors. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out this product. It's a wonderful product. You will love it. As you see in the picture, once we unboxed it. Okay, let me tell you, I have ordered this product on Amazon stores. So you can see what are the items that are in the box. As you're watching in the video, you can see the net, tape, instruction sheet and nails. And let me tell you, you have 75 sizes of net. According to your door size, you can order them. And this net is of good quality. It's breathable. It's easy to install and use. You just have to use the tape and stick to the post of the door, and upon that you have to attach the curtain or the tape to the door. It's only 2 simple steps you got to do. In few more moments you can see the installation, but we haven't used any push pins or nails to fix the curtain or the net to the post of the door. The curtain was stable and sturdy with only the tape or the hook tapes that were given, so they are strong. Sorry, I forgot to tell you the highlighting feature of this net, that it comes with 32 magnets, as you see in the picture. And there's no scope of mosquitoes getting into your house, and you can sleep happily without mosquitoes buzz, right? Now we'll see the installation, and this is a quick installation. It takes only 2 or 3 minutes of time, and you can go check it out. How is the magnetic mosquito net? Did you like it? If you like, you can go check my description box and see the link to buy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.